Britney Spears, Sprint Ringtone. Take one.
Take one what?
Britney Spears, Sprint Ringtones. Take two.
Take two what?
Take 47.
Oh my God! Okay. They explained it finally. I'm not taking anything. What I'm doing is I'm singing a song that you can all use for your ringtones on your mobile phone. And I cleverly rewrote the lyrics so that it's a song about telephones. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Wait, why am I doing this again?
Because we're paying you $1 million.
Okay. Bang, 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 bang.
Sprint Ringtones. Connie, Chung.
Wait, why am I doing this again?
Because we're paying you $50.
Yes. Cha-ching. Good evening, I'm Connie Chung. Please pick up your phone. Is that it? Well, that was easy. I'm used to working with a microphone at my other job. Listen to this. Okay, that's 2 cheeseburgers, large fries, and a chocolate chicken. Please drive to the second window.
Ja Rule, slating.
Yo, all you bitches, you know your phone be ringing. Some people rapping, I just like singing. All you player haters, you stop hating. And all you know, you got your phone vibrating. What? This was Sprint bought me right here. Zing, what? Jackpot.
Robert De Niro. Slate it.
Hey, you, huh? Answer your phone, huh? Answer your phone, you hear me? Your phone is ringing. Answer your phone. Answer the phone. Your phone is ringing, huh?
Cut. Mr. De Niro, please watch the swearing.
Swearing? I didn't swear. What the are you talking about?
Sprint Ringtones, Ellen DeGeneres.
Wow. Sprint, huh? I don't use Sprint. Yeah, I use their competitor. Slow Jog. I'm just kidding. I'm actually with Mosey. Yeah, I'm with Crawl. Skedaddle. Tiptoe. I'm with Tiptoe.
Your phone is ringing, huh? Your phone is ringing, huh? Answer your phone, you moron. You don't believe me? You're caught at your phone ringing.
Play Aiken.
Answer your
George W. Bush.
This is George W. Bush, and I approve this ringtone. I mean, you got to answer your phone, you know, or I will declare war on you. War jokes are funny, you know, they are. Listen, it could be a loved one calling you, or possibly a gay guy, you know, calling to ask you to marry him. Not on my phone, you know what I'm saying?
Looks like I cracked the camera lens. Is that good or bad? I don't know. It sure was scary.
George W. Bush, take 47.
I'm president of the world, king of the U.S. of America, the United States of A. Huh? That's cool, right? Answer your phone, or the world will end. I'm kidding about that. The world will not end because you don't answer your... What if it did, though? If it did blow up because you didn't answer your phone, it's like the Matrix, you know? You get your phone in the mail, and then you open it up, and suddenly you're teleported into a world where there are weapons of mass destruction. But you need to get rid of them, you know?
that good or bad? I sure was scared.